Hey everybody, I am the person behind Mila, Nico, and Ava, and I wanted to hop on here really quickly to share some very exciting news with you. We, at the end of this year, will be moving to Germany, God willing. Hopefully COVID doesn't mess that up for us, but we are in the beginning stages of getting everything prepared for the move. We will have a lot of things to do as far as getting the dogs prepared, getting all their paperwork, and then getting all of our stuff there, finding a place to live. So there's a lot to get done. I'm really super lucky because I get to keep my job. I'm so thankful because I love my job. So I will have a lot of things to also do to prepare for getting my work kind of situated there so that everything is a smooth transition. So that's what we have going on over the next few months. And then of course, once we get to Europe, we are planning to travel as much as we can with the dogs. Once you're there, you're actually able to get pet passports to where you can take the dogs with you to different countries and kind of go sightseeing with your dogs. From what I hear, Europe is very, very dog friendly, so we're very excited to be able to go places and not have to worry about leaving them home, getting to take them with us. So that's going to be really, really fun. I'm excited that we'll be able to share everything with you guys here. We'll put a little bit on our Instagram and on our Facebook, but here we'll actually be able to show you a lot more of what we're doing and what we're seeing. So I would really, really love it if you would subscribe below. That's really important to us if we can get enough subscribers. That's actually going to help us so that we can travel a lot more and share more with you guys. And of course, if you have people that you want to share this with, we would appreciate that too. We're really, really excited, and thank you for joining us. And if there's anything as far as advice for the move, or places that you want us to see, or questions that you have that we're having to deal with as far as getting things ready, please comment below. Shoot us a message on one of our other profiles, but we would love to share this journey with you guys, and we appreciate you being here so much. We will see you soon.